It's the sneakery, baby.
It's your boy G.Phresh in the building. You already know what it is, the sneakery. I'm not gonna bore you because I just did the Concords. Pretty much just gonna be the same kind of video, so I'm gonna kind of do it a little different. I'm gonna basically do it in a way where you gonna know how long it takes me to do these shoes. So I got the cool gray Jordans right here. Woo! Woo! From the other ones, I don't know, man. This is gonna need some work, boy. But I'm gonna get it done, because that's what I do.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Right now, just a quick update on these Jordan 11 cool gray joints. I decided to use a different formula for the soles, and I can tell you from what I was using before, it's putting in work. Like, you can see that it's still yellow, but now you can see the clear coming out. Yeah, I like this.
Many unbearable hours later.
Boy, oh boy, let me tell you. Man, I'm putting overtime in these joints. And even though they look way better than they were before, like the fact that these joints were so yellow. I'm talking about yellow like butter. I'm talking about yellow like someone's nasty teeth, bro, that haven't brushed in years.
Oh, you nasty.
Even though this sauce that I'm using is way better, but yo, I think this shoe has done about, say, like 24 hours in the UV light. And even though they somewhat getting there, getting clear, these things need some extra love. All right, so here's the finished product for the Jordan 11 cool gray joints.
Nice.
This shoe had severe yellowing. Like, once again, you saw the pictures. It was almost, it was almost like a gold, bro. I managed to get it really clear as possible. And I ain't gonna lie, I stopped counting. This went through the rigmarole for like 2 weeks straight. This is the best result, but once again, the way he had them, it was pretty much unwearable. Like, it looked really ugly. Now, it's a wearable shoe. It really depends on what condition the shoe is in, but the shoe is clean. The shine on the patent leather is back. That's what really people look at. Can you, right there, this part, see the iciness right there?
Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with it who line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them